All right, guys. Well, you've seen it. So as you can see, as soon as I let it go, it falls, right? So, okay, let's go look at these new rear glass window support struts, whatever you want to call them. Shocks, even they're calling them. So there they are. Okay, let me pull them out. Okay, here we go. That's them right here. So, I mean, they look just like in the pictures. Very nice. At the ends here, if you want to see what the end looks like, they look just like the factory ones. See? This just clicks in. Super simple. And that's what it looks like on this side. Super duper simple, guys. They came in these nice packages. Okay, let's go pull the rear ones off. I'll show you how to do that, and then we'll put these ones on. Okay, so the way they are installed factory is this part goes to the glass. The rod part goes to the Jeep. So all you got to do is see that little metal thing that I was showing you. So you just get a flat screwdriver like this. See, and you pull that out. And once you have it out, see this just, I'm holding the glass with a broom. See? Let's pull this off. So simple. See? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the exact same thing to that one off camera. Same thing, pull that off. And then I'll show you how easy it is to snap the new one in. Okay, so here we have the new one, see? So all you do is just so easy. You just go like this. See and watch, you just pop it in. Done. And then the bottom, lift it the right amount. It's hard recording and doing this, guys, but there you go, see? There. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, guys. See, it's already staying up. Nice. Beauty. Okay, I'm going to do the other one, and then I'll show you guys how nice this works. Okay, guys. Both are installed. Super easy installation. And check it out. I'm going to give these a 10 out of 10. They work so good. Keeps the glass up. And it's even cold in here, guys. So remember, guys, great Amazon product. So this is an entire series on restoring a Jeep TJ, guys. Hit on the playlist for all the videos. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody.